You are sitting on one of the most powerful money-making tools in history without realizing it. In this video, I'll give you 3 insanely powerful ChatGPT prompts that you can start using to make money today, whether you are just starting from the scratch or you just want to boost your current income. Hey, I'm Ojumafo, and welcome to Sparking Digitals, where I turn digital marketing strategies into simple and repeatable steps that anyone can use to make money online. So if you're ready to start making money online, these are the 3 prompts that actually work. So I'm going to put the 3 prompts in the description box, so make sure you bookmark this video so that you can go back to it later, and stick around to the end because the 3rd prompt is absolutely crucial for turning this into money making machine. And at the end of this video, you will actually have a roadmap on how to make money online. So the first prompt is actually how you can turn whatever you already know into what people are paying for. So let's head over to ChatGPT and enter the first prompt. Design a detailed roadmap for turning my, in brackets, specific skill or expertise, bracket close, into an online income stream. Include platform recommendations, pricing strategy, and a realistic timeline for first earnings. Focus on methods requiring minimum upfront investment. Now you know what to create and how to sell it. You understand? So the second prompt is where it gets interesting because that's where you get people to buy. So let's head over to ChatGPT and type the second prompt. Create a comprehensive content strategy for building authority in bracket, niche market, bracket close, across multiple platforms. Include content teams, posting schedule, and specific ways to transition followers into paying customers while maintaining authenticity. Now, this last prompt is actually what separates, those that make few dollars online from those that actually build the real income. So let's head over to the 3rd prompt. Develop an automation plan for scaling my online income from, in bracket, revenue source, bracket close, without working more hours. Include tools, systems, and processes that can be implemented with a $100 monthly budget. Prioritize maintaining quality while reducing manual work. There you go. These are the 3 ChatGPT prompts that can actually start making you money today. Okay, so I would like you to write in the comment section the first prompt you want to start with, and hey, hit the like button if you know that this interests you and you want to also get more of the videos, and also try and share it with a friend who is willing to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, so just keep watching and keep getting value. Bye.